Okay, so now I'm going to brief you how to use our system. So first, our system is basically about a system for the used car dealerships. So they can actually use our system for storing or registering the new cars inside their showroom and to update or retrieve from database and also to sell the car. And sell the car means delete from the car list, delete the relevant class from the car list. Okay, so first, so if someone try to brute force into our system using maybe they want to access the create page without login, so our system will actually ban the access. They will block the access and then they will force the user to log in using the hyperlink here. So when the user click login here, it will be redirected to the login page. So this is basically our login page where the customer where the car dealers need to enter their email and password for login. So in our project, we assume that there is only an account for a single branch. So all the agents or all the car dealers in a same branch, they need to share the same account because they will have a console computer there. So all of them, they need to use the same computer. This is to retain the data integrity. So let's say they didn't enter anything and then they click on login. So there will be an error message here. So they need to actually insert the email. So let's say they insert the email in a wrong format. They will actually check. So the system will return and then we will ask the users to key in an email with true format. So they need to click on enter the password also. So the password I set is 123 actually. So when they click on the login, so they will be redirected to the dashboard. So the use case account. So this is actually the email that I key in just now, and the password is actually 123. So the reason why the password is in hashing is to retain the security of our system. This is to prevent because we know it is important to store hash pin instead of storing the plain password. Okay, so we have actually five hyperlinks here that providing 5 different functions. So first, if the car dealers they want to so let's say there is a new car coming to the showroom and waiting to be sold there inside the showroom. So the car dealer, they will save the car information by using the save new car here. So when they click on save new car, they need to enter the car informations. So first, they will need to enter the serial number. So let's say the serial number is PP 123123. So let's say the brand is Audi and the model is A5. Horsepower is maybe 250. So the segment should be sedan. And the price is, let's say it is 299,9999. Okay, so let's say I don't want to key in the manufacturer year. The system should actually return error message here asking me to key in the full form. Okay, so let's say it is 2020 and the plate number here we actually make it nullable because it is a used cars dealership. So sometimes there is some of the car they might not have plate number because they might not registered yet. So we leave it nullable. So when they click on register, so the car will be saved into database. So as you can see, when you click on the view car list, so the new car will be shown here. So if you go to the PHP My Admin, you can actually see also the new car registered here, Audi A5. Okay, so this is the second feature where we provide retrieving functions. So the third function is to edit the car. So just now we make the plate number empty. So let's say if suddenly we want to like enter a new plate number for the car, we can actually click on edit, and then I can actually put a plate number here. So let's say I put KOWE123. So I click on update the car. So the message here showing that the car is updated, and then you can see the changes here, KOWE123. So this is the update functions, and also finally the selling functions. So basically the selling function is to allow the car dealer to sell a car. So when they click on the selling car, they click on sell, they need to enter the date. So let's say they enter 20 of June of 2020, 2022, and then the warranty expiry, normally it will be on the 5 years after the selling date. So I put it as 21 June 2027, and the buyer ID is maybe is 010101010101. This is the IC number and also the phone number 011. Okay, so this is the selling details, the sales details. So when the buyers click, when the car dealers click on the sell car, and the reason of putting the sell cars button as red color is to keep alerting the car dealers to prevent errors. So when they click on the sell car, the car is sold. So you can see, as you can see, the car is removed from the car list database. So when you click on the back and then you click on car sales history, you can actually see the car sales here. So when you click on lockout, it should return to the login page. So basically, this is all about our system. So thank you for watching.